Hola familia, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for all the love and all the support. I really appreciate all of you guys. If you're new to my channel, bienvenidos a mi canal. Welcome to my channel. We're here. I do post videos related to beauty, lifestyle, self-care with an occasional vlog. So of course, if it's something that you're interested in, then feel free to subscribe, join la familia, and hit that little notification bell next to the subscribe button. That way you are aware of any time that I post any new content on here. Of course, before I get started, I just want to send mad love to everyone. I hope that you guys are staying healthy and safe, and blessings during the seasons and during all times. Special shout out to my grandmother Mamita, who has been having some issues the last couple of days, and I'm just like praying for her and hoping for the best. So if you guys can send some positive vibes that way, I would really appreciate it. So all right, let's get into this.
Given a chance, always thought we would make it this far. I guess the universe is on our side.
Okay, so today we're doing the TheraBox unboxing. This is for the month of November. Just a friendly reminder that TheraBox does send out their boxes towards the end of the month. I know that by the time you guys see this, it is December, but I literally am receiving this like the last day of November. So naturally, it always goes out later than earlier. This box is a self-care subscription box, but it's not really even self-care. It's like self-love, mindfulness, wellness, health. It's a very holistic type of box. I personally pay $34.99 a month for it, but there are different payment options in which you could pay like 3 months in advance, 6 months in advance, or whatever, so it kind of alters the prices. It's supposed to have over $100 worth of products. Like I said, it's curated by therapists to kind of provide all different types of products and self-care things that is gonna make you feel more joyful and level-headed and better. So I'm actually kind of hoping this is a good box, because I really feel like I needed, kind of been like a little stressed out lately and I have like a lot of anxiety, and I'm hoping this is a good box. Also, something that it does include is usually in the mind activity, which is really nice because it kind of steps literally outside the box and just kind of brings something to the table for you to kind of be more mindful or use your mind a little bit more towards better things in life. So let's go ahead and open it. The purple box is usually the same box as this ingredients to happiness. Once you open it, okay, it just says treat yourself. Basically, you can snap a picture of this and you'll have a chance to possibly win a new box. And if you tag them on Instagram, here it does have the theme in your little catalog. It includes all the products that are in the box along with the prices and what they are for. It looks like this month's theme is essentials. This is for November. I know that they said that the one in December they'll be sending out a little bit earlier in the month, so I'm really excited to see what the December one is going to be like. This right here says, okay, so it looks like they were unable, there was discrepancy this month and they were unable to feature one of the items that's supposed to be in here. So basically it's just talking about the other item that's in here. So we'll take a look at that once we get in the box. All right, let's open. All right, first thing I see in the box, I have no clue. It looks like, oh my God. I thought it was a shirt, and it's not a shirt at all. This is actually adorable. This is a freaking apron. Look at this. It says, don't be afraid to take whisks. Oh my God. Look at this. How freaking cute. And then here it says, wrist taker with a little heart. Oh my God, this is really cute. This just made me smile. I'm happy. Alright, so this is by the brand Willow Collective. It's an apron and mitt set. It retails at $25. It's basically your kitchen essentials. I get it now. I thought, I don't know, this is going to be a different type of box. But essentials is probably like essentials for either the kitchen or for whatever you got going on. This is cute. It says, this apron and mitt set will inspire you to be brave and not to be afraid and to take risks. But more than just cute, this apron and single mitt is handy and functional. It's cotton and it's breathable, lightweight, and it's easy to wash and dry. This is so cute. I love it. I almost don't even want to use it because it's so damn cute. There we go. All right, so the next thing in the box I was kind of confused about at first because it looks like it's from the same brand, but there's different options. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different options that you could have gotten. The brand is called Save Me From, and this is a hair repair treatment cream. It retails at $58. The one that I got is called Chemical Conflict, and it's supposed to give you strengthening for overprocessed hair, breakage, and sensitive scalp. I feel like they knew me because my scalp has not only been sensitive, but it's itchy and just, I don't know. But this is a tip to root hair reboot. How freaking cool. There was also different options that you could have gotten this month. It was the one that's thermal obsession, age acceleration, sun and sweat, and pollution assault. Wow. So this is pretty dope. It says that it is a clean and clinically proven hair repair collection that promotes positive mental health by giving 10% net income to suicide prevention organizations. That is awesome. All right, let's look at this one. So the packaging is really cute. Look at this. It's purple. Each packaging is different, and it has like the little dot right here, so you kind of pump right there. So let me see about some fun facts about this particular product. It says that it is a restorative hair for breakage and bond repair treatment. It works as an overnight mask to repair damaged hair, split ends, breakage, and the sensitive scalp. So I'm all about this. I love the concept of it, and I love that they donate to suicide prevention. I believe that when I was reading, it says that the creator of the brand basically lost her sister to suicide, and they were determined to find a way to save others from suffering the same. So they do provide 10% net income, like I mentioned earlier, to organizations that are going to help families in crisis. So if you buy the product, then obviously some of the proceeds do go to that. So that's wonderful. I always say that one of the things I enjoy about TheraBox is that it's very different. It's not always your typical brands. It's usually brands that you haven't really heard of, but they have a good purpose to make donations and everything. So you can't go wrong with that. I'm happy about that. Let's move on to the next thing in the item, in the box. Okay, next thing that we do have is by the brand Caribbean Brew. Caribbean. It's a moisturizing Haitian coffee scrub. It retails at $25. This one is a coconut rum moisturizer cream. It's a 2-in-1 body and coffee scrub. 15% off coupon there that comes with in here, which is cool in case you want to re-up. Ooh, that definitely smells like coconut and coffee. Like coffee grinds with coconut in it. It's freaking nice. I love both of them, so it works for me. And this one says it comes from Coffee of Haiti with tropical 100% natural quality products. It serves as a luxurious body butter and scrub that moisturizes and exfoliates to reveal smooth, glowing skin. It smells and feels like a tropical vacation. I could definitely attest to that. It smells amazing. It does smell like cocoa butter, but with coffee in it. So I love that. Let me see if there's any fun facts. Basically, it just says use it 2 to 3 times a week to avoid contact with eyes. And after you shower, you rub a handful of the scrub in circular motions in your skin, rinse it off and pat dry. And it's supposed to help you have some glowing skin. Let's feel the texture of it. Okay, it definitely does feel like a coffee grinds almost. Ooh, this is interesting. I love this. All right, next thing that we have here in the box is by the brand Well Told. This is energy boosters. They retail at $22.49. This says it's a energy boosters, dietary supplements, is 60 vegan capsules. Interesting. Let's check them out. Like I said, it's vegan, it's synthetic free, and filler free. So these pills are supposed to basically give you the nutrients that you're lacking. It's an essential to kickstart your day with a boost of energy. It has matcha tea, vegan capsules. Basically, it's supposed to be really good for you. It's supposed to help you sustain your energy. Aside from that, it's a non-GMO project. All Well Told ingredients and finished products undergo a very rigorous 5-step lab test and protocol to ensure purity and safety. That's cool. I never really received like these type of items in TheraBox before, but I get the essential thing now. At first, I was kind of like, I get it now. They don't smell the best, I'll tell you that. This is what the capsules do look like. I don't know, some people do like having these because like my husband, he doesn't swallow them very well, so he'll actually break these and put them in whatever. For me, I kind of like them. I just swallow them, but even still, not crazy about the scent, but I'm not surprised. There's so many pills, and like right now my prenatals, they smell like complete horseshit, honestly, and I still take them. So I'm excited to try these out. If anybody has tried them or interested in them, let me know and I'll tell you what I find out about them. Okay, so here's where I see that product that they send that little paper in. Apparently we're supposed to get something by the brand Pure Lick Skin Food, and it was supposed to be replenished daily lotion. So they replaced that with this one right here, which is by the brand Z Skin, and this is Winter Skin Hydrating Skin. It's 100% organic skincare, and you're supposed to put 1 to 2 spritzes, apply product twice a day to help hydration, lift, firm, and remove dark spots and scars. I just don't know where it's supposed to go, so let me read a little bit. Okay, so it's a face mist from what it looks like, and it's supposed to help heal cracked, flaky skin. Obviously, if you're like in the winter months in colder areas, you are more susceptible to that. Here in sunny Florida, we don't really have that, but even still, nonetheless, I'm excited to try this out. Let's see. All right, I'm just gonna go ahead and spray it. It says don't get it in your eyes, so make sure you close your eyes. I don't know. I don't know if I put this on right. I thought it was gonna go on like a fine mist, but it definitely didn't. Maybe I could just go like this. Okay, there's no crazy smell to it, but it does say that like it has aging products and it's just supposed to help with your overall skin. So I don't know, I'm excited to give it a try anyway. I mean, sucks we couldn't get the other thing, but I like how they did replace it with something nice and different. And it just says that it has like that it has herbs and oils that come from around the world, such as Japan, Australia, Hungary, and Africa. So I love that. I love how diverse it can be. So I'm excited to try that out. All right, next thing that looks like we have in the box is by the brand Badam, India. This is a limited edition holiday blend. How cool. This one retails at $14.99. And it looks like it is tea bags, herbal teas. This is roasted cocoa and blended with cookies and cream. There's 15 tea bags in here. They're packed in India. Oh, side note, this one is $19. I forgot to mention that. I know some people want to know everything. All right, so this is what they look like. Like I said, there's 15 of them. It does say caffeine free. These are your little tea bags. And it says 1% of our revenue is directed towards the education of our farmers' children in India. That's cool. I want to smell one of these. Not the best smell, I will say that, but I do smell like cookies and cream. I can definitely smell that. I'm gonna give it a go. I'll try it out and see. I do like that it's a limited edition holiday blend. Anything holiday blend makes me happy, so I will definitely be trying that out. Okay, next thing that we do have in the box is something by Lip Love. That's the brand. This is called Caliente, which also means hot in Spanish. It retails at $12, and it looks like it is a lippy. I don't know if it's a lip gloss or lipstick. Let's check it out. There she is. I don't even know the last time that they even sent like a lipstick over. This says, do you need an extra color in your holiday season? This Caliente highlights the deep brick red-brown undertones that can be worn as a lip color, blush, and eye shimmer. How cool. I love that. Okay, it's vegan, cruelty-free, and a multitasker that supplies a lot of moisture to your face. Fun fact, Lip Love gives back to various local organizations and community centers to support underserved teen girls' advancement, education, and empowerment. I love that. One of the things I love the most is that you can use it for a little bit of everything. Let's swatch it. I will say, I'm not crazy about the applicator. It almost feels like a little stiff, but I'm not gonna hate on it. We're gonna try it out and see. All right, I don't know if you can see. It's not like a lipstick. It literally is like sheerish. I'm gonna put a little bit on my lips and a little bit on my cheeks. Why not? I could definitely see the color. I mean, it's nothing crazy. It's very, very subtle. I like the color. I will say I'm not crazy about the applicator, and I feel like it has like these little balls or something. I don't know if they're supposed to dissolve. Maybe they do dissolve. Let me see. Actually, I felt like they do dissolve. So my dog, if you've been watching him in the background, he's been going everywhere. But anyway, yeah, the little things did dissolve. So here's kind of what it goes like after you put it into your skin. All right. I'm excited to keep trying that. And I love how you can put it on in different areas of your face. It's not just for your lips. Okay, and the last thing that we do have in the box, this is our happiness boosting activity. Like I mentioned earlier, TheraBox always includes a monthly activity for the mind. It's one of the things that I do love about it. It has different activities to kind of just make you improve your mind, your mindfulness and wellness and other ways opposed to just having a product or skincare. So it looks like here they did send over this by the brand Gratitude Glass Jars. It's this little box right here. It's called the Let It Go card set. It retails at $18. And it says, pause, share, inspire. We often hold onto pain far beyond its ability to serve us, allowing feelings of shame and regret to influence our actions. We all make mistakes. We learn. We grow. May the daily thoughts of the cards help you to just let them go. This is so freaking cute. All right, let me see. We did get cards in a box like a while ago, but it wasn't this one. So I'm excited to see what these are. And if you're interested, it does give you like a little 20% off the entire 30-day Kickstarter collection from this brand, which is super cool. This is basically 30 days of a Let It Go challenge. So basically every day you pick a card and you see how your mindset is affecting your life that day. So let's just go ahead randomly and pick a card. And here it says 30 days of Let It Go. So this one, for instance, says, expectations. Do not dwell on how things should have been. Clear yourself from expectations. So they're kind of just like little, kind of reminds me of affirmation cards. Let's pick one more and see what it says. Breathe. Oh, that's what I need to do, I swear. Use your breath to soothe yourself and sleep into the present moment. I cannot agree less. I don't breathe enough. I feel like I get so tense and anxious, and especially like this week, I've just been like, I don't know. I'm also pregnant, so obviously I'm always out of breath, but sometimes I literally have to tell myself to just breathe. Like I literally just have to take deep breaths because it really does help me. I just don't think of it enough to do it. So I feel like I need to get that tattooed like right here, like breathe, because I need to remember to do that. But anyway, I love this. I love any time that they give you some kind of gratitude or mind boosting activity. I think it's super special and just very unique. So it looks like that's it for the box. Let me go ahead quickly and add up everything in the box, and I shall be right back. All right, y'all. So after adding up all the products in the box, I believe that there was 8. Yes, 8 of them. The whole box retails at $194.48. I really enjoy this box. I will say my favorite is definitely the apron. This is just the cutest freaking thing. I'm so happy with that. It does have very unique different things. I love the hair item, the hair scrubs. The cards are awesome. So I'm really excited to try some of these products this month. It's probably one of my more favorites of the year. Sometimes they have great boxes, sometimes they have whatever. This one's definitely a good box. I want to know what you think about it. I don't know, I'm just hoping that I can kind of like boost my energy and my spirits a little bit, and let me know what you guys think of it. Let me know if you're interested in it. Don't forget that I will list out everything in the description box if you're interested in TheraBox at all. And of course, if you want me to continue doing these videos, let me know as well, because sometimes I feel like some people don't really care to watch TheraBox, but I think it's such a dope box. Like, it's just so unique, you know? So let me know your thoughts, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Thanks again. Muchas gracias.